In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your stunning Canva designs into your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing a portfolio piece or adding a vibrant touch to your homepage, these steps will guide you through the process with ease, helping to enhance your web presence with professional-looking visuals. First, let's focus on Canva. Imagine you've just finished crafting the perfect design, perhaps a delightful flyer, an engaging banner, or an informative pamphlet. To export your creation, locate the Share button prominently positioned on the upper right of your Canva screen. Clicking here presents you with various options. Select Download, and you're offered choices in terms of format. If you're opting for a high-resolution image, choose JPEG or PNG, depending on your quality needs and file size considerations. For documents with multiple pages or text emphasis, a PDF might be your best bet, ensuring clarity and consistency. Before hitting download, double-check your chosen settings, especially if you need transparent backgrounds for PNGs, for instance. Once your design is downloaded and snugged safely on your computer, it's time to switch gears and move over to the Wix editor. Log into your Wix account, navigate to your site dashboard, and open the editor for the page you're ready to embellish. With Wix's intuitive interface, enhancing your site is accessible to everyone, from seasoned designers to enthusiastic newcomers. Look for the toolbar on the side, which is your gateway to media uploads. Click on Add, and from there you'll find the image option. Selecting this opens up a window for uploads. Click on My Uploads. This is your personal repository in Wix for all visual content you wish to include on your site. Now, you'll want to access the Canva design you just downloaded, so select Upload Media followed by Upload from Computer. Navigate to where you saved your Canva export and simply double-click or select the Open option. Voila! Your design is now part of your Wix media library. The final steps involve incorporating your uploaded design into your website's aesthetic. Return to Add in the toolbar, select Image once again, and then browse through Site Files to find your newly uploaded media. Drag and drop it onto your website page, positioning it exactly where it needs to be, whether it's the bold centerpiece of your front page or nestled within a gallery layout. Remember to preview your changes, check for alignment, scale, and that your stunning design pulls its weight in capturing attention. And when you're satisfied, hit that Publish button to make your webpage update official. By following these steps, your Canva designs will not only sit harmoniously within your Wix site, but also enrich its overall visual appeal. This kind of cross-platform design coherence helps ensure your personal or business brand maintains a professional and polished presence online.